In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix unable to link accounts on your Alexa app. Let's get started. First up, head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Amazon Alexa. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you will need to clear cache and cookies for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Amazon Alexa and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Next up, head back, scroll down and navigate to the option VPN and Device Management. Ensure you are not connected to any VPN or proxy, as this can sometimes prevent Alexa from linking your accounts properly. If the error still appears, it may be caused by a temporary Amazon server issue. To check that, navigate to the website Down Detector, search for Amazon. Now, if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete the Amazon Alexa app from your device and then reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix unable to link accounts error on Amazon Alexa. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.